What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Slime Vegas and I am so excited. Right now we're actually stopped at a McDonald's though because I need a chicken biscuit and a sweet tea to get me through the day because I'm already hungry. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, so let's get this bread. Literally a chicken biscuit is bread, I guess. Let's go to the event. Okay, hold up. Today has taken an unexpected turn. They're out of chicken biscuits. I'm so mad. That's really what I wanted.
1 hour later.
So here's how the booth looks. Pretty cute. It's super cool in here. They're like colored lights. The music is popping. It's just about to start soon. Alright, y'all, so early entrance just started and people are already starting to come through. Slime Vegas is pretty lit right now. It's crazy. We just had like a rush of people. It was so much fun. Are you having fun? Oh my god, y'all, look, mermaid slimes. I'm so shook. Homemade cheesecake. I definitely need one of these, so I want one of those. Okay, so the lighting is gold right now, so me and Carly are gonna get a photo. Where are we going?
I don't know, do you want to do like this with the
probably
background?
over there. Okay, y'all, so general admission is not even in yet, and we've already had so much fun. I had to snatch myself a princess toast because it smells so freaking good, and I just want to play with slime. Trapped with a whole bunch of slime. Hey y'all, I'm here with Rainbow Playmaker. Oh, she totally dissed me. Oh, hi. We're at the VIP luncheon. Oh, Carly, Nicola, hey. What's up? Oh, is there like assigned seats or what? Where? Here? So we're here at the VIP luncheon. I'm here with Phoebe. Hey girl, Mermaid Slimes, what's up?
Joe and I always end up together.
We're paired together all the time.
Yeah, it's a good combo.
It's a thing. Yeah. Hi.
I can't break
Slime Hall of Fame. This is so cool.
Oh yeah, where's mine? Oh wait, mine's over here.
We're going to the green room.
I got sneakers.
Green room party.
Sneakers are better. Yeah.
I don't know what's in this said green room, but apparently we have it, so we're trying to find it. VIP green room. Oh, okay. We're gonna have a discussion about slime today, y'all, okay? So we're gonna teach y'all how to do the glow-in-the-dark slime using pigment powder. However, we don't have the pigment powder ourselves, unfortunately, but we're gonna work with what we got. I think we're gonna get some glitter, but we're gonna start with a clear base. You can do it like 2 different ways. You can add it like before you activate the slime, or you can add it afterwards. So we're gonna go ahead and do afterwards today, just because we don't have it like right in front of us. So just try to follow along. It's pretty easy.
Okay, so first we're gonna add in some clear glue. And you guys already have clear glue.
So we just added in the clear glue into the bowl now. So at this point you can do like different things. So if you wanted to, you can add the pigment powder with glitter, which we just got right now. What color is it? I want yellow. Okay, so right now, okay, well I guess let's take a vote since we have it now. Do you want us to add it in now or should we add it in later? Now? I feel like everybody said now, so we're just gonna do that. Give me 1 second. Just make sure you add the activator in slowly. Don't add it in at one time because I forgot to mention that because you'll ruin your slime. We're gonna do a countdown of 3, 2, 1. Once you hear the 1, start stretching your slime. Alrighty y'all, Slime Vegas is now over. I am back at the Airbnb. I had a blast. We had so much fun. I even ended up hosting a workshop with mermaid slimes. It was really, really cool, and I hope that I vlogged enough footage. I had my aunt like kind of vlog some stuff for me, so hopefully we have enough footage for a really cool vlog. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!